Yeah. Come here, Pepe. Pepe can bike. Come here, Pepe. Come here. Pepe, come get Daddy. Pepe, come here, pedal here. Come get me. You biked, what, 10 feet there and then you stopped. There you go. Look at that. That's right. Come on. Yeah. Good job. Look at that. I knew you could bike. Yeah. It was going uphill too. Wow. Look at you go. Yeah. Go, go, go. You realize the resistance, gravity, don't you? Trying to pull you down backwards. Whoa. Yeah. Good job. Look at you go. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, Pepe's learning to go backwards too. Look at that. What a pro. Come on.